The creation of building schematics is a necessary part of the building process, all the way from conception through to handover. Throughout this process, designs change as architectural revisions are made and the building services become more defined over time. This means that drawings often need to be revised to accommodate these changes. And when a system such as VRV is being used within the building, the pipework routes need to be considered to ensure that pipework limitations are not exceeded during the revision process.
To help in this task, DAIKIN have developed VRVCad,
a 2D and 3D VRV plugin for commonly used Autodesk products that will significantly simplify this process. We like to think of it as DAIKIN aided design.
The VRVCad plugin
allows you to drop the correct indoor and outdoor units onto your CAD schematic and draw in the pipework and ref nets. This example shows how it works in AutoCAD. Once the plugin is installed and selected from the menu, a new layer is created on the schematic, where you can then drop down the pre-selected units from simple drop-down menus. Placing the units will be a familiar process to those who use the software. Ref nets and units can be rotated in the normal way to match the intended layout of the schematic. Then you connect all of the units together with pipework, making sure that all of the connections are made. Once the system is in place, a click of the calculation button will let you select the outdoor unit, which will automatically then size all of the pipework and ref nets on the schematic. Then a validation of the entire system is performed to check that all of the installation requirements have been met. So you can be confident that the system layout will meet the VRV design and warranty criteria. If there's any part of the system that doesn't comply with the design criteria, you will be alerted to go back to the schematic and redesign your system layout. This important alert feature helps to prevent time-consuming or costly alterations on site during installation. All of the DAIKIN VRV CAD blocks are included with the plugin, so you can find them without delay, and a system schematic can be produced at the click of a button. You can also calculate how much additional refrigerant will be required on site. You can even check compliance with EN 378 to ensure that for hotel projects, for example, you can eliminate the need for expensive leak detection. This software is also available for Revit and will work in a similar way. Objects can be simply dropped into place and then connected with pipework. All of the calculations are made for the pipework sizes and checks are performed to ensure the system complies with the design criteria.
So for 2D and 3D building design, VRVCad can aid you in VRV system design
by speeding up the schematic production, ensuring that VRV systems meet the system design criteria at an early stage, producing equipment lists, and calculating additional refrigerant requirements, and assisting in checking legislation compliance and making project costing quicker and easier.
So don't go back to the drawing board, simply download VRVCad.